If you want to be a virtual assistant, meron talagang investment. Basic requirement. Akala nila, yung iba, trust me guys, there are aspiring virtual assistants who doesn't have any computer. They just have their phones. And they want to know if they can, be a VA by just using phone. But they can, honestly. Ano yung mga requirements natin talaga para maging VA? Of course, you need a computer. It's either a desktop or a laptop. So, for the basic requirements ng specs ng computer, that should be at least i3 and 8 gig RAM, at least 250 gig yung memory. Very basic yan. Okay? And then, internet connection. At least 25 Mbps or mostly mas mataas pa is mas better. So, webcam. So, kailangan ng webcam. Of course, very basic. Why? You're going in a meetings. So, yung magiging boss nyo, they are requiring meetings and hindi pwedeng naka-off yung camera. So, again, headset. Very basic yan. Pero sa Shopee, may mga mura na and they're decent naman. If you wanna be a virtual assistant, meron talagang investment sa part na yon. You have to. With the noise cancelling feature. Kasi we have like chicken na nag-iingay, tapos we have dogs barking, and we can't do that. Especially if magiging appointment setter ka, you're calling. Hindi pwedeng nagko-calls ka na naririnig ng client yung mga nagbo-bark na dog. So, hindi siya allowed. Invest kayo sa with na noise cancelling headset. Cheapest is 500 pesos meron sa mga Shopee, Lazada.